Hi, my name is Bilal from Performance Lexus in St. Catharines, and today I'm going to show you how to get the most out of your new Lexus NX. Introducing for the first time in any Lexus, electronic door handles. To use this, simply apply pressure to the switch indicated and you will hear a door actuator activate. In the event when your car battery dies, don't panic, you can still use this feature manually. From the inside, you pry outwards on the handle as shown. However, on the outside, you first need to find this little lever and pry outwards. It does take a little bit of force. To learn more about the new Lexus NX or any other vehicles in our Lexus lineup, please like and subscribe to our Performance Lexus YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Again, my name is Bilal. Thank you for watching.